I like my camping gear light and compact. In this video, I will share with you my trick in getting the most compact cooking set for your camping gear. A cooking set essentially consists of a stove set and a utensil set. So let's begin.
So for stove, I like to use those kind that are Bayonet type, and it's used with a gas canister type.
This kind of gas canisters are disposable. I prefer it because I can vary how much to bring depending on how long I will be camping. And this canister is very common. I can restock it at almost any store that sells basic camping supply.
Yes. To use it, just screw it on.
And one good thing about this stove is that it's very compact. It fans out to let you cook your stuff. I use this one so it's stable enough, although it looks precarious, it works. Another good feature is when I turn on the gas, I don't need an additional tool to spark it because there's this button that provides the sparks.
Nice, cool. Yep, so see that spark.
So to use it, just turn it on.
You can hear it when the gas comes out.
Then you just click to spark and it will light up. Once you are done, just keep it.
And that is the most compact and utility stove that I use.
The one I'm using here is an unknown brand from China. Recently I've upgraded to a Jetboil Mighty Mo stove. It's slightly bigger, but essentially the same features. Do note, however, too strong winds might render your stove useless. For my utensils, I like to use those that can nest within each other. This is so that I can get more utensil within the same volume. To optimize this, get the biggest size that you need, and then you buy the rest of the set to be within that diameter. Some manufacturers even offer a full nested set. The lightest option you can go for is titanium. But those might be more on the pricey end, so the more affordable options will be aluminum or steel. For the same weight, my titanium pot hold almost triple the volume. Generally, each person should have a bigger pot and a cup. The pot will be used for cooking and eating, and the cup for drinking. For spoons, you just need a long one. Trust me, you will hate having to tiptoe your fingers trying to avoid food particles on your spoon. 20 cm is a good number. This 6-piece nesting set that I have right here, combined with the stove that I talked about earlier, and the 2 spoons, can cook about 3 liters of stuff at a time, which is a comfortable amount for 2 persons. Depending on your use case, you can opt for less capacity. I usually treat my water by boiling and cook by boiling or simple rehydration, so this setup works out well for me. In total, these weigh about 800 grams, so about 400 grams per person. To make this even lighter, I can definitely replace this with titanium cups. There are those double-walled cups which I would not recommend because sometimes you just want to directly reheat by using your cup. And a double wall will not allow you to do that. Due to the same reason, I also will not recommend plastic cups. They may be lightweight, but they do not offer the same functionality. For a fairer comparison, I have sought cups of similar volume from a few trusted brands that I use. Primus is a very premium product, so the price is very off-putting. But I couldn't find any other aluminum manufacturer that I'm familiar with. What do you think? Is the price worth the weight savings? Let me know in the comment section below. There are also these other names like Nature Hike, Ligsada, Tom Show that are found on Shopee, but I'm not really sure if I trust those. I'll be using this to eat and drink, so I don't feel like risking it on some off-brand manufacturer. By the way, if you're wondering why I have all these from different manufacturers, it's because I was lucky to find them at a bargain from a second-hand camping shop. Then as I go along, I upgraded to a new one, and now I share this set with my wife. So do check out your area if there's such a retailer. You might find a bargain. If you buy a good one, the material will last well. This snow peak that I have is all banged up and black, but it still works fantastic. Do you have a lighter way to pack a cooking set? Let me know in the comments below how you do it. Leave a like if you find this helpful, and please consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. So this is not a sponsored video, but I've linked some of the products that I've described in the description below. Have a good time camping, and I'll see you in the next video.